In this video, I will share how to use the eraser tool. First, I will prepare an example object from stroke, shape, and brush. OK. To start using the erase tool, you can right-click on the tool icon and select it. You can change the diameter of the eraser by double-clicking on the icon. And let's start deleting. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.